This is a follow-up video to the project site video, which shows how different things are configured under the hood. First up is this project schedule here on the left. This is actually a application feed widget, but because I've set it to only pull from a calendar, I get additional view type options here. In this case, I've chosen the list of upcoming events, but I could also change that to a monthly view if I wanted to. In the previous video, I was talking about how this What's New widget here is fed through advertising, but I've set the site such that items are not advertised to the home site, only to this project site. We can take a look at the settings to show you what that looks like. Let's use the toolbox option here to jump straight to the site administration. And then under here, I think it's properties. There's an option here. So I've made sure to set this such that all advertised content doesn't go to the home site. It stays exclusive to my project site. Other things you should do to keep all of the content private is make sure that the data on the site's not included in global search, as well as setting the view security on this site. In this case, the only people who can view this site are people who are in my Project Alpha security group. Now you'll notice I actually had a link up here to the project site. This is actually automatically hidden and only shown to the people who have been given access to the site through the security group. I also mentioned that this Stakeholder Updates application is used to control the flow of information to stakeholders. This is done using content permissions and workflow. So if I jump into the application, I can show you how that's set up. So I'm going to again use Toolbox, and let's go and take a look at this app. So the information flow is done through approval workflow. It's set on a per folder basis, so I just have one folder called public updates. And here I have two stages. So the first stage is the approval stage. Here I actually have to finish configuring it. So if Kelly Bristol was the project manager, I could set her as the approval manager. And then the second step is the send notifications. So this is where I can specify who gets notified when that application gets updated. In my case, what I did is I created a new security group called Project Alpha Stakeholders and then assigned people that way instead of individually assigning them here in the Send To. Yeah, so that's my quick peek under the hood of how this project site was configured, and hopefully that helps. Thanks.